Hey everybody, I wanted to show you this morning how to take a scanned image of, say, a publisher's mark, for instance, and then process it so that you can take it into InDesign and colorize it. We'll handle the second part of that little spiel in a second video, but for now we're just going to focus on the processing. So here in my Finder window, I have a scanned version of Penguin Books' old logo from 1935. I need to take that into Photoshop to get rid of the color. So what I'm going to do is drag it over here to Photoshop. Here it is in all its glory. The first thing I'm going to need to do is come up here to grayscale. So it's image, mode, and then grayscale. And make it a grayscale image. You can see any of the color disappeared. It's no longer in 3 channels as it was previously. It is, when we make it into a grayscale image, it's only a single channel. What that's going to allow us to do when we bring this into InDesign is colorize it. However, if you were to bring it in as is, this isn't actually pure white. You can sample it. You don't have to go to this trouble, but if you sample it, you can see this isn't 100% white. If you double click on the actual color palette, you can see that there is some color value to it. It should be 255 on all of these. If it was pure white, these should all be 0. If it was all white, and we have a little bit of gray. So we're going to need to get rid of that. The easiest way to do that is to go up here, go to mode, and we'll now bitmap it. And from the method, we will select 50% threshold. So what that means is anything below the threshold is going to be turned black, and anything under it is going to be turned white. You'll see what I mean when I click OK. So now it's binary. It is either on or off, so that when we ultimately take this into InDesign, what we're colorizing is just the logo and not the whole pasteboard.